Hey everyone, it's Shar from Shar's Fascination. So I just got my blood draw done for endocrinology. And I was telling Rob, I'm like, let's stop and just grab a snack and come on back. And I always look for what might be new. And the Dollar General, sometimes they have some really good stuff that you never know. Which one do you want to start with, Rob? Pick a flavor. Okay, we'll go with the Dorito one first. This is supposed to be extra hot or spicy like the kitten, the little baby boy. Yes. Oh, dang. That smells good. Take one. Now, as I was noticing this bag, I hadn't seen this logo in years. Like, Oh, that's good. Wow.
It's got some heat to it.
That's a nice flavor. What do you think?
Absolutely.
That's a good flavor. Okay. Now, we don't drink soda very often, but this also comes in bottle. So we had to run some errand today, so. What? Actually, that's a good flavor combination, isn't it? Okay. Next, we are going to try. These are buffalo. You know what, though? I can smell the vinegar. You know, like buffalo wings have the vinegar. These aren't bad. I had some other ones in Texas that weren't these ones. That weren't these crunchy ones. It's not like how would you describe these?
I'm not sure.
To me, it's like buffalo sauce with that slight subtle hint of maybe ranch. Because who honestly dips their buffalo wings in blue cheese anymore? We all use ranch now. That's what this is giving. So, we have our drink. If you can find it, you should. That one's good. We have this. I like the flavor. And then we have these. These have a really good flavor too. I'm gonna say like a lot of college kids eat junk food. This a college kid could put in a foil pan. Let's say if you have an air fryer, put some in a foil pan, a layer of cheese, maybe some chili, another layer of these, and some cheese over that. Yeah. Then I would say put that on an air fryer for about 10 or 15 minutes. That would be good because of the spices. So anyway, let me know kindly in the comments below, have you tried these and what's your thought? And meanwhile, stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.